Hello students, today we are going to discuss complement of a set. So in this first of all let us its definition is there. Let U is a universal set. Universal set is represented by U students, and a set A, there is a set A that is the subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all the elements of the U which are not the element of A. So here students, I want to tell you with the help of the example that U, if universal set I am taking here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right students, and the set A that I have taken 1 3 5 7 9 is there, right? So while we have to find out the complement of A, so complement of the A we will write it like this, that is A dash. We can say A dash, or we will read it as a complement of A, that is equal to U minus A. U minus A means what you will see, 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there, rest of the all the elements, that is 2 4 6 8 10, that will come. And now with the help of the example you can understand the definition students, that A complement that is equal to U minus A, right? Now after that let us come with the De Morgan law students. So this is very important, that is De Morgan's law. Here I am going to tell you how we will make the use of this De Morgan law. That is, first is that is A union B. Always remember students, its complement that is equal to A complement intersection B complement, right? And second is there, that is A intersection B, its complement that is equal to A complement union B complement, here students. Now very easily with the help of the example, or very easily with the by using this one, there are some exercise questions are also there, those are based upon the De Morgan law, we will discuss it. So now students, in the exercise 1.5 I will tell you how we will make the use of complement of the set and second De Morgan law. So first question is there, let U is the, here U represent the universal set, U that is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, set A that is equal to 1 2 3 4, set B that is 2 4 6 8, C that is equal to 3 4 5 6. Now students, here one by one we will find out the complement of A, then we will find out the complement of B, we will find out the complement of C for this question. So first is complement of A, that is equal to U minus A. U minus A means 1 3 4, 1 2 3 4 we are not taking, rest all the elements will come, that is 5 6 7 8 9 here students. 5 6 7 8 9 is there, that is the what you will say complement of A. Now let us come with the second, that is complement of B, that is U minus B, means U minus B, that is 2 4 6 8, that will not come, rest all the elements of U will come, that is 1 3 5 7 9, that is the complement of B students. Very simple this is. Next one is A union C, its complement. So while we are saying A union C its complement, it will come as equal to U minus A union C, right students? So first of all we will find out A union C from here. So you will see that A union C from here, but you will see 1 2 3 4, you will see that this 4 is common there, 2 is common there, we will not take them two times, so it will come as 1 then 2 then 3 then 4 then 6 and 8, that is A union C. Now what you will do, U minus A union C, right? So you will see students, while 1 2 3 4 6 8 that will not come, 1 2 3 6 8 that will not come, and rest of the elements that will come here, and those elements are 7 8 and 9 then students. So that is this is known as the complement of the A union C. Now here students, I have told you that A union C, that is equal to, I have taken not A with B, here I will take A with C here students. So here you will see 1 2 3 4, here 3 4 5 6, you will see that 3 4, that is common. So what you will say, A union C, that will come as 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right students. While U minus A union C, they will be subtracted from here. So what you will get, you will just left with the 7 8 9, right? That is A union C, its complement. Now after that, let us come with the fourth part, A union B, its complement, that is U minus, this is U minus A union B. Now here we will do the A union B minus, and from there what you will get, it will come as equal to, here I want to tell you how this will come. If you will see students, while you will do A union B, so A union B will come as equal to, you will see that which one is common, 2 and 4 is common there, we will not repeat it, so rest will come 1 2 3 4 and 6 8 will come, right? So while we will find out, that is U minus A union B, so which one element is left here, 5 is left, and after that 7 is left, then 9 will come then students. So it will come as 5 7 and 9, that is A union B, it's a complement. So next one is, fifth one is A complement its complement. Always remember, A complement, if 2 times we are doing the complement students, the same element will come, that is A is there, therefore that will come as 1 2 3 4, right? So come with the sixth part, B minus C, its complement, that is equal to U minus B minus C. So here once again with the same way you will do it students, right? So these questions are same, so very easily you can do this type of the questions. In the question number 2 students, again we will make the use of union. We will find out the complement of A, complement of B, complement of C, complement of D. Very simple. This is same as earlier I have done students. Even your question number 3 is also same. So you do these question number 2 and question number 3 yourself.